Money wiser, be money wiser, be money wiser. We are money wiser, be money wiser.
Now, risks in investment are simply measured by the advantages and disadvantages of a given investment. Whereby, if let me say I want to put my money in what example can I use? If let me say you've saved up and you want to put your money in farming, for example, and let me say you want to plant cassava. So when you're doing your research, you're finding out what are the advantages and challenges of dealing in cassava. So you consult from other farmers, other people who you have seen have succeeded in that particular investment. If not, we also have organizations in this country that can give you information on a big scope of investment. Some of these include the Capital Markets Authority, if you want to invest in stocks and those kinds of securities, or you can invest, you can also visit the Investment Authority. Now, it's an institution that's just there to give you information on any project that you may want to start or any investment that you want to make. So you just look at the advantages and disadvantages. Now, you as a person, you also reevaluate yourself. Sometimes you can want to farm and you have no idea how to dig. You don't even know the seasons. You don't even know which kind of equipment you use. Basically, you do not have sufficient information. So you choose, should I get more research such that I can do this job effectively? Am I going to hire people to do it for me? Will I be able to supervise? Because there is no investment that can succeed without you supervising it. You have to overlook and see that it is well done. And on top of doing that, you put in place systems to monitor and see that the work is being done well. And even you as a person, what's your investment risk personality? Now this one is simply, you as a person, how much risk can you manage? So sometimes if something is too risky for some people, they do not bother putting money there. Because you know you will always be under pressure. Don't put your money where you sleep. You actually won't get sleep at night. Every time you're worried, have they robbed them? Are they still there? Are they what? You don't have peace of mind. But then you need a kind of investment where you can rest assured that yes, it will work, it's okay. In most cases, when we are talking to business people and all that, it's where that presentation comes out better because they are actually profit-oriented. So they are running businesses to make profit. So in such instances, in an audience like this one, you find that not everyone is doing the same thing. Some people have shops, grocery shops. Others have trees. They have planted acres of trees. Then you find others are farming. They have planted maize. Then if you ask the maize farmer that why didn't you venture, you had the same capital as the guy who maybe has a bond for cars. Why didn't you venture in cars? Or they ask the car bond owner, why didn't you buy land and plant maize? And the car bond owner will tell you that to start planting all that maize, and then he'll give you all the disadvantages. The maize can get dry before the season ends. It's hard work, it's manual labor, I can't handle that. It means that person knows himself, and he knew that that's not the kind of investment I can manage. But now when you ask the maize owner, why didn't you buy cars? The person will tell you that those high taxes that they charge to bring in the car into the country, how can I sustain that? I don't know if you see what I'm trying to bring out, but the advantages and disadvantages of each investment that you may want to do show you the level of risk involved. So if you feel that in spite of the disadvantages, you still want to do something, it means you can manage that risk. Are we together? But if you find that those disadvantages are so scary for you, you are scared of venturing into that, then don't. Leave it and go for something you can manage. But ladies and gentlemen, wherever you put your money and you monitor, you will earn, as long as it's something that you have passion for.
Be money wiser, be money wiser. Are you money wiser? Be money wiser, be money wiser. We are money wiser. We pray, we plan, and try to be wiser with the way we invest our money. We are money wiser. Wiser with the way we borrow any money. We are money wiser.